Hello and welcome to this introduction video. If you are a mechanical engineer, simulation engineer, researcher, graduate student, or anyone interested in advanced finite element analysis using Abaqus, then this training package is designed specifically for you here. You can search it in the search section of the website to find it. If I click here, you will have the title here. Uh, the title is, or I would like to introduce our comprehensive training package here. Advanced forming, machining, and manufacturing process simulation in Abaqus, which include 25 complete industrial and research-oriented workshops. So this package is not a collection of simple tutorials. It is a complete learning program that teaches you how to model, simulate, analyze, and interpret some of the most challenging manufacturing and material processing problems encountered in industry and academia. You can see here the workshop that include all of these options here, and this is the thing that make our package unique here. Okay, if your goal is to develop professional level Abaqus skill and learn advanced manufacturing and forming simulation through practical examples, this package provides an efficient and structured learning path. With 25, here you can see the categories of this 25. With 25 carefully selected workshops, you will gain practical experience in metal forming, machining, cutting, drilling, uh, crashworthiness, material, and all the materials, and follow the structure interaction, something like electrohydraulic forming, I don't know, hydroforming, and advanced nonlinear finite element modeling techniques that are widely used in the industry and research. Uh, Here you can see the categories in the first. Here we have metal forming with these examples here. These numbers, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 17. These are the workshops that you will receive as a package, and each workshop has a number, so you can see the number here and some of the figures of this section 1, the section 2, machining and material removal process. These are the topics of the workshops and some figures. Then we have the crushing impact. These are the titles and these are some figures. And then we have material behavior for rubber, tensile test, I don't know, for the weld and creep. And at the end, these are the things you will be master on them by using this package. And at the end, we have the payment method. The price, first the price for this package is 137 euros, and we accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, all the cryptocurrencies. Before any payments, contact us through this email to tell you more about the payment process, the package, anything that you need to know. There we will answer your questions, maybe you have. And by using this package, actually you will be mastering modeling, informing, machining, and manufacturing process. For now, thank you for your attention.